Hi everyone, this is Prasad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making a video on how to make your first open source contribution. So this is also my first contribution. So we will learn together, guys. So I'll just open the Chrome now. Yeah. So today we will be learning how to fork the repository, then clone the repository to your local machine, then creating the branch, then making the first open source contribution, then committing the changes, and then pushing that, and also how to raise the pull request. Okay, so I'll just open the Google and I will just search first contribution to open source. So okay, so I will just open the first link. Yeah, so today we'll be making our first contribution to this repository. So this is the beginner friendly repository. So here you can see that this project aims to simplify and guide the way beginners make their first contribution. So if you are looking into make your first contribution, follow these steps. Since this is also my first contribution, we will just follow the steps today. Okay. So first step is fork this repository. Okay, we'll just fork this repository. We'll just what I will do is I will just duplicate this tab so that it will be easy to follow the steps. So fork, here you can see the button. Just click on the button. So create a new fork. So create fork. So once we click on this button, this repository will just fork to our repository. So here you can see that it's my name and first contribution. Yeah. So we'll just head over to that repository and readme file. So next step is cloning the repository. So I'll just come here into my repository and first contributions, and I will just copy this one. Okay, and copy this GitHub link. Okay. Yeah. So I'll just open the VS Code after that. Okay, I'll just open the VS Code. So now I will open the terminal in VS Code. Yeah, and I will just open the folder where I will clone this repository. So today I'll be cloning the repository to here. Okay. So command for cloning is git clone and also the link of the repository which we have to clone, and I will just enter. So you can just find that here also git clone and URL just copy. Okay. So right now repository has been cloned. Okay, so we'll go to the next step. Yeah, cd first contribution. So we will just head out to the repository cd first contribution. Okay, we are right now inside the repository. I'll just open that folder. Okay, documents, git repo, first contribution. Yeah, so now it's open. So I'll just head back to Chrome. So the next thing is, yeah, first next thing is creating the new branch. Okay, so command is git switch c. This is the name of the branch. Okay, so for example, they have given like switch c, add, and the name. So we will do the same thing. We'll keep it simple as possible. We'll, however, we are just learning the process. So we'll just learn it. Okay, so I will just open the terminal. Okay, yeah, so terminal is open. We can see the save. Yeah, so git switch c, add, and my name. So this is my name. I'm just adding my name and Prasad HP. Okay, I guess this is fine. So here you can see that switch it to new branch, add Prasad HP. So right now we have switched. Okay, so the next step is to make the changes and those commit those changes. Okay, so we will just open the folder and head out to the file called sorry contributors.md. Okay, so we'll just here you can see that now open contributors md in the file editor and add our name to it. So they're telling that don't add the name at the beginning, also at the end. Okay, so yeah, we will just open VS Code. I'll just make it big screen. Okay, so we'll head out to somewhere in middle. Yeah, I guess this is fine, I guess. Okay, so since this file is in MD format, you will see how it looks in outside. Like we just see it in Chrome. Okay, so I will just open MD file. I will search MD file editor. So here you can see that stock edit. Just head over here. Okay, so just okay. Here you can in this space you can just type, and in the right side you will see the output. So I will just type my name. HP. Just close it and open the bracket, and I will add my GitHub link. Okay, so yeah, just copy it from here and just paste it. Yeah, so here you can select it look like this, and if I click on this one, it will open the GitHub link. Okay, yeah, so I will just copy this one from here and I will head over to VS Code. Yeah, here you can see that we had added the name. Okay, so I will just head back to the Chrome. Yeah, so the next thing is that we have to add that contributors file, save it and add that contributor file to staging area. Okay, so command for that is git add and the file name. Okay, so I'll just head out to VS Code. I'll just save this file before. Okay, here you can see that like one pending changes are there. So then git add, then contributors md. Okay, so right now we have added contributors.mg into staging area. So the next step is committing it. Okay, so committing is git commit @yum. Okay, message is add your name to contributor list. Your name, replace your name with your name. Okay, so git commit -m, which is message, add Prasad HP, it's my name, to contributors list. Perfect. Okay, so I will just commit this change. So yeah, it's committed. Okay, so the next step is pushing it to GitHub. Okay, git push origin and the branch name. Okay, git push origin. My branch name is add Prasad. If you can't see, you can just see it in the top. It's available. Okay, I'll just hit enter. Yeah, now it's done. So here you can see that we can create a pull request for add Prasad HP and GitHub by visiting this link. So we will just open that link. Okay. So here also you can see that this process, submit your changes for review and open a pull request. Okay. So I will just create a pull request. So also I will just add description like this is my first contribution to open source, and sorry for my spelling mistake. Excited to start my journey. Okay, I guess this is fine. I'll just create a pull request. Okay, so some checks are not committed yet. So yeah, we'll just head out here. Okay, you can see here it got merged. Okay, here you can see that it got merged. So this is it, guys. You can just simply make your first open source contribution by following the steps. If you have any doubts, please comment. As much as possible, I will try to answer that. Thank you, guys. This is it for today. Have a nice day.